Home runs carry individual live, neutral, and earth cables for each circuit. So, a 9-way MDB has 9 different circuits, replacing the need for 9 armoured cables. The MDB is a plug-and-play hub where these individual circuits can be distributed out to the various local workspaces. These could be meeting rooms, workstation clusters, collaboration spaces, or anywhere else in the workspace requiring small power. Cleaner circuits can be achieved by daisy-chaining pre-wired powered grommets together using tees and extenders, which remove the need for on-site cable glanding. There is no need for a power track as the circuit is brought up to the workstation group before it is split out to the individual users. The PowerBox PDU replaces the function of traditional power tracks, tap-offs and RCBOs by consolidating that function into one simple plug-and-play box. This reduces floor penetrations, materials and labour while still offering safety and protection in a flexible, reconfigurable power delivery system. It is better suited to today's low-power equipment than armoured cables and power track, as it meets the power demands of the modern office without using oversized, out-of-date materials. Being conduit-based, it also remains flexible and reconfigurable so it can move and adapt to your ever-changing workplace.